Please be silent. Sir, please. Mr. Good morning to all. I feel privileged to be here along with respected dignitaries, teaching, non-teaching staff, and all students. On behalf of IHS family, HOD, and respected Ashok Kumar Tiwari ji, Mayor of Varanasi, he is on the way. He already said he is the best wishes. And President of International Hindu School, Dr. Suman Kumar Mish, sir is not here. He has sent his best wishes for all of us. And I hope, if I am not the wrong, IHS is the only school conducting inter-school competition in German language in Varanasi.
Thank you, sir. I would request all of you to clap. Now, I would like to call our respected Principal Sir to come on stage and give his welcome speech. Please, sir.
शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपो ज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपो ज्योति नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपो ज्योति नमोऽस्तु ते धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपो ज्योति नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा ज्योति नमोऽस्तु ते दीपो ज्योति नमोऽस्तु ते
full of fascinating prospects and great future. I remember a year before when I came here for the first time, there was this function, and I could notice the way this institute nourishes in the students a new kind of culture. The culture to read, the culture to participate in different forms of social activities. To my English last year, 2 years before, yeah. That was one thing that bewildered me, that surprised me and also gave me so much of joy. और उस क्षण से मैं इस विद्यालय से, इस इंस्टीट्यूट से, हृदय से जुड़ चुका हूँ। आज मेरे घर में एक उत्सव है, बड़ा आयोजन है विभाग में, और फिर भी मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं ना नहीं कह सका। भाषा उत्सव, अभी प्रिंसिपल साहब ने बताया कि 1600 भाषाएं हैं। Yes, we are the largest.
Professor Dr. Suman Kumar Mishra, Secretary Mrs. Revati Mishra, Vice President Mr. Nagendra Vasisht Mishra, Principal Dr. P. Madhu Chaudhary, International Hindu School, Vice Principal Mr. Krishna Avatar, Honorable Judges, Teachers, students and guests. The mission of International Hindu School is to instill the leadership quality and courage in the mind of its graduates and to give the and drive for a lifelong pursuit of knowledge. We strive to create international citizens who follow Indian core values
ब्रह्मचारिणी प्रियं चन्द्रघण्टेति माण्डेति चतुर्थकम् शमं स्कन्धमातेति कात्यायनी तथा सप्तमं कालरात्रीति महागौरीति च अष्टमं नवमं सिद्धिदात्री च सिद्धिदात्री
भाषा यानी भाव एक। I, Raju Chaudhary, and I, Aditi Mishra, students of International Hindu School, wish you a sweet, pleasant, and enthralling morning, and welcome you all to become integral part of the grand feast of languages.
Now, just as the child needs care and management, here is one of the dynamic personnel needs. She is none other than our respected manager ma'am. Now, I would request her to come on stage and bless us with her words. Please, ma'am.
स्कूल के छात्र आपके सामने कबीर जी की दोहे प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। अगर हमसे कोई त्रुटि हो तो कृपया पर हमें क्षमा करें। गुरु गोविंद
depression, which is a very serious medical illness that negatively affects one's mental health. So here is the skit representing this topic. Hi, I am Alina and I am 15 years old. Just like every teen girl, active as well. Do you know, by lifting this heavy bag every day, one can suffer from back pain, cervical pain, or poor body posture, which leads to pressure.
So students, today I am going to distribute your report cards. Aina, only 95%. Oh dear, I was expecting more than this.
Report card. You are left behind by 2 marks. Have you seen your cousin Jack? He has topped this year too. I expect better marks than his. First in swimming competition and spelling competition. Why did you not participate in theatre? Have you seen your friend Sophia? She is an all-rounder. God knows what will happen with you. Hey, what happened to you? You look so dull these days. Oh, you look so... Oh dear, you came. I've managed your schedule for tomorrow. After coming back from your school at 3, you have your history class at 3:30 and maths class at 4:40. At 5, you have swimming class. You have your arts class at 7, dinner at 8, and homework at 9. You can sleep at 10. Oh no, I forgot the piano class in your schedule. I have to reschedule it now. Everyone expects us to keep going, like a stock of good company. How is that even possible for a teenager to live with such expectations? Where will we even go? Pressure, pressure and pressure. Pressure into infinity. It feels like black clouds have surrounded me from all directions. Oh God, I can't even sleep now. No, I shouldn't think such negative. I have to be positive. You are still sleeping? You do not want to go to school? It's getting late. Get up now. Hey, how are you, Alina? I don't know what is happening with me these days. I should search about my symptoms on internet. Depression? What nonsense! No way! How can I be mental? I can't be crazy. Mental health matters! Mental health matters! What happened? Recently, a boy has committed suicide due to depression. So, if you ever feel lonely, just tell someone about it. I think she was right. I should tell someone about it. Mom, I want to talk to you. Yes, tell me. Mom, actually... I know. You wish to order fast food like your brothers. No, Mom, that's not the matter. I just don't feel good these days. I feel so lonely. I think I may need a psychotherapist. Mom, I think I'm depressed. Have you lost your mind? You want to be mental? You are always on your phone morning to evening. Earlier you used to play badminton, but now you have stopped that too. What do you even do in your room? And why do you lay all day? You did not speak or talk anymore. In our days, we never heard the term depression. But I don't know what fashion your generation has gotten on. Hey, what's wrong with you? Such a bad day. You were a topper, right? Now I won't go to school. Today your teacher called me. You have not gone to school for the past 10 days. Where are you even going if not to school? What's wrong with you? Will you tell me what has happened? It's nothing. Do whatever you wish.
Hey, what's up, sir? I know something has happened. You are not just bunking actually. Tell me what happened and why you are so sad.
Please go away from me.
Alina, I wish you can share your feelings with me. But okay, but please find someone whom you can trust and share your feelings. It will definitely help you.
I think he was right. I should tell someone about it. Oi, where were you? From past 10 days. Actually, I want to talk to you. Yeah, tell me. I just don't feel good these days. I feel so lonely and my brain has stopped working. I don't know what is happening with me. I think, oh come on, just rubbish. You really gone mental. You need to go to a mental asylum. Guys, look, she has gone mental. Freaking stupid.
Hey, why are you crying? What happened?
All of these happen because of you. You said, share your feelings. No one can be trusted. Don't you understand?
Alina, you can't trust me. Tell me what happened.
I'm mental.
Alina, it will be alright. Don't cry. Alina, you are going through a mental health problem and you did not tell any of us. Actually, the fault is not yours. We must remove the word mental from mental health. Mental, mad and crazy are used so commonly that these words have lost their real meaning. If you break your leg, people will sympathize with you. But if you tell them that you are not okay mentally, people will call you mental. Look, Alina, we cannot change the whole world. We can change ourselves. So we must talk about mental health proudly.
हिंदी के यहाँ कहाँ है, पहले आपको सारे इंग्लिश का कराना पड़ेगा सारे खत्म तो हिंदी के सर यहाँ पहुँचेंगे तब ना समझ गए तो वही तो करने करेंगे
No, brother. Mom and dad will never understand. Mom thinks it's just because. And even if they get it, it would make me feel like I disappointed them. But you will never disappoint this child. Mom, actually, you are going through so much trouble. And you think that you could not share it with us. Actually, the fault is ours. We parents talk more and listen less. We assume since we were born before you, so we know it all. But the truth is, we all are learning together. So I will try to listen some and you should try to share some. From now onwards, we will try to learn together. I will take you to a therapist and restrictions together. I promise. No restriction, go. No restriction, go.
Teenage is said to be the age of stress. At this age, they need the most mental support from their parents. So the message is, if any one of you is suffering from mental health, you must share with your loved ones.
Don't go through this alone.
And always remember, you all are special in your own.
Thank you.
अभी आई जी। ये लीजिए गर्मा गर्म पूड़ियाँ। लाडली बेटिया, बाबूजी की तरफ पानी तो लाना। सुनो जी, सारा सामान देख दाख कर खरीदना। हमारे बेटे की शादी है, खूब धूमधाम से करेंगे।
बिल्कुल जी, तुम चिंता मत करो। शहर में मेरा एक दोस्त है, वो सब दिलवा देगा।
जी।
अच्छा चलो तो मैं चलता हूँ, तुम और लाडली बेटिया नाश्ता कर लेना।
जी ठीक है।
हाय लागू काकी।
खुश रह बेटा।
और काकी कैसी हो?
कुछ नहीं बेटा, पेट में कुछ जलन सी हो रही है।
क्यों काकी, सुबह सुबह कुछ? क्या काकी, तुम भी ना सुबह सुबह गुस्सा दिलाने वाली बात करती हो।
मैंने ऐसा भी क्या कह दिया बेटा?
अरे भिजवा देगी खाना, खाली नहीं बैठी है, घर का काम ही कर रही है।
तो वक्त पे वक्त खाना मिलेगा तो पेट में जलन तो होगी ही। तू ही बता, तुझसे ना कहूंगी तो किससे कहूंगी?
अरे किससे भी कहो, पर मुझसे मत कहो।
वाह बेटा वाह, तेरे तो सारे बोल ही बदल गए। जब मैं अपनी सारी जायदाद तेरे नाम कर रही थी तब तो बड़ा प्यार से।
बस काकी बस, नाम ना बदनाम करो। जब देखो तब खाना खाना खाना।
क्या काकी, तुम भी ना? तुम्हें एक दिन नाश्ता देने में देर क्या कर दी? तुम तो इनसे शिकायत करने लगी। अरे कुछ तो अपनी उम्र का लिहाज करो। इस उम्र में इतना चटोरपन ठीक नहीं। अब सोच क्या रही हो? दे तो दिया खाना, ठूसो। जा, मैं नहीं खाती ये रात की बासी रोटियां। क्या हो गया अगर रात की बासी रोटी है तो? इन्हें फेंक तो नहीं दूंगी, इनकी मेहनत की कमाई है, हराम की नहीं जो फेंक दूं। पर बहू, अरे मंजू बहन, राम राम, आओ आओ। अरे बहन, मेरे ये बता रहे थे कि मुखराम की शादी पक्की हो गई है। हाँ हाँ बहन, सही सुना है तुमने। अच्छा, हमारे लायक कोई काम हो तो बोलो। बहन काम तो बहुत है। मंजू बहन, कल मुखराम का तिलक आ रहा है। अच्छा, ये तो बड़ी खुशी की बात। हाँ हाँ, अब सब तुम्हें ही तो देखना। हाँ हाँ, वो तो है। चलो अंदर चल के बात करते हैं। ये क्या ले आई हार? लाडली बिटिया, आओ आओ बैठो। काकी, माँ ने आज पूरियाँ बनाई थी, ला दे।
आराम से काकी, आराम से। और है? नहीं काकी, बस एक ही बची थी और मैं तेरे लिए ले आई काकी।
चल अच्छा किया। एक काम कर, थोड़ा पानी ला दे। तेरी माँ ने जो पूड़ियाँ बनाई है वो बहुत सख्त हैं, पानी में डुबा कर खाऊंगी।
ठीक है काकी।
अगले दिन मुखराम का तिलक आता है।
हटाओ यहाँ से।
सुनो, सबसे पहले शरबत मेहमानों को भिजवाना। और यहाँ अभी तक झाड़ू क्यों नहीं लगा? जल्दी करो भाई, मेहमान आने वाले हैं।
अरे वाह, कितनी अच्छी सुगंध आ रही है। लगता है आज तिलक आ रहा है, सबको भरपेट खाना मिलेगा। मैं भी भरपेट खाऊंगी। लेकिन अभी तक कोई आया क्यों नहीं? वैसे भी अब मुझे पूछता ही कौन है? भरपेट खाना मिले ऐसे भाग्य कहाँ। पूड़ियाँ, गर्मा गर्म पूड़ियाँ, जरा हाथ में लेके देखती हूँ। अरे भैया अभी कुछ चाहिए तो अभी बता दो, बाद में मत कहना ये नहीं है वो नहीं है। लड़की वाले आने वाले हैं, भोग तैयार कर दो।
रूपा कहाँ हो भाई? अभी तक नाश्ता तैयार नहीं हुआ, बाहर मेहमान चाय नाश्ता का इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
हाय राम, मैं तो भूल ही गई थी जी। अभी देती हूँ, अभी देती हूँ। अरे बहन जरा मंजीरे तो निकालना, खाली ढोलक ही बज रहे हैं। देती हूँ बहन, देती हूँ जी। हाय राम, ऐसी पेट में आग लगे आग। पेट है या भान, कोठरी में बैठकर दम घुटता है क्या? अभी मेहमानों ने नहीं खाया, भगवान को भोग नहीं लगा, तब तक सवार ना हो सका, आकर छाती पर सवार हो गई। अरे जल जाए ऐसी जीव, जल जाए। गांव देखेगा तो कहेगा बुढ़िया भरपेट खा नहीं पाती, इसलिए मुंह भाई फिरती है, न मरे ना माजा छोड़े। नाम बदनाम करने में लगी है, नाम कटवाने में। अगर भला चाहती हो तो कोठरी में जाकर बैठो, जब घर के सारे लोग खा लेंगे तब तुम्हें भी मिलेगा। तुम कोई देवी नहीं हो जो घर में लोगों के मुंह में अन्न का दाना ना जाए, पर तुम्हारी भूख सबसे पहले मिटनी चाहिए। अरे बहन छोड़ो, खुशी के मौके पर अपना मन मत खराब करो। ये लो थोड़ा पानी पियो और मुझे बताओ क्या।
अरे भाई साहब नमस्कार नमस्कार, आइए स्वागत है आपका। अरे भाभी जी नमस्कार, पहले भोजन कर लेते हैं, बाकी का कार्यक्रम बाद में देखा जाएगा। आइए बैठिए।
सच ही तो है, जब तक मेहमानों ने खाना नहीं खाया घर वाले कैसे खा लेंगे? मुझसे इतनी देर भी ना रहा गया। मेरा बन्ना राज कर आया रे। बहुत देर हो गई लेकिन अभी तक कोई नहीं आया। मुझसे बहुत देर ना रह जाता, ना आया तो ना सही, मैं तो जा रही खाने।
अरे ये बुढ़िया कौन है और यहाँ कैसे आ गई? हटाओ इसे।
काकी चलो यहाँ से।
बेटा बेटा मेरी बात तो सुनो।
मुझे कुछ नहीं सुना है काकी,
बेटा सुन तो।
मुझे कुछ मत सुनाओ। तुम मेरी फजीहत कराने में तुली हो काकी। पहले मेहमान खा ले, बाद में तुम्हारे लिए भिजवा दूंगा। अगर अब
Thank you.
My family in my city and almost in the country was unique. We were 4 of us, not 1. Unfortunately, no boys. We were 4 girls. My parents were...
Honorable jury members and my DHs. I'm Rachit Datta from the Pita Kua Public School, and today I will be giving a beautiful speech on one of the most famous leaders of the Indian history, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. But before I begin, I would like to thank the administration of IHS for inviting our school and giving me a wonderful opportunity to present myself. So, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose once said, "Tumi amake rokto dao, ame tumake shadhinta debo," which means, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." These words of his resonated the essence of the struggle he has faced during the freedom fight of India. The struggle included the undying confidence and undying resilience of the Indian people. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose also stood tall and stood all together in front of the oppression and tyranny of the British rule. He led as an example, he led as a leader and led the entire country of India, and also inspired us to fight against the British rule and take part in this freedom fight. In the face of adversity of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, he gave and displayed an unparalleled resilience to the Indian people. The Indian country might be very lucky. We all are very lucky that we had such a great leader like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He also urged the countrymen of India to take part in the freedom struggle and believe in their compatibilities and believe in themselves. He also said, one of his famous slogans,
"To look after national interest is on the shoulder of every citizen of India." I have often mentioned this earlier. Nobody knows how many attempts have been made to shoot me. Lathis have been used to beat me. In Bhubaneswar itself, a brick bat hit me. They have attacked me in every possible manner. I do not care whether I live or die. I have lived a long life, and I am proud that I spent whole of my life in the service of my people. I am only proud of this and nothing else. All the world admires a deed well done. We can say that.
Is about 4 animals, a donkey, a dog, a cat and a cock who are willing to become Bremen city musician. Now the play is on the stage before you. Always scolds and beats me. That's why I am going out of here.
गुरुभ्यः नमो नमः। अहम् आयुषी कुमारी इंटरनेशनल हिंदू विद्यालयस्य 8म्याः कक्षायाः छात्रा अस्मि। अहं कृत्रिमबुद्धिमत्तायाः लाभाः हान्यः च इति विषये स्वविचारं प्रस्तौमि। कृत्रिमबुद्धिः इति किम् अस्ति? कृत्रिमबुद्धिः संगणकमाध्यमेन मनुष्याणां बुद्धिपूर्वकेन चिन्तनेन तन्त्रांशस्य निर्माणस्य एकः उपायः वर्तते। मानव मस्तिष्कः कथं चिन्तयति, कथं समस्यायाः समाधानं करोति, कथं शिक्षयति, कथं निर्णयं करोति, कथं कार्यं च करोति इत्येव विषये कृत्रिमबुद्धिमत्ता अध्ययनं करोति। अत्र ध्यातव्यम् अस्ति यत् कृत्रिमबुद्धिमत्ता यन्त्रमाध्यमेन मानवबुद्धेः अनुकरणम् अस्ति। एतेन साम्प्रतं समाजे प्रौद्योगिकः नवाचारः सर्वाधिकः वर्धमानः भवति। कृत्रिमबुद्धिः बहुषु प्रकारेषु उपलब्धा अस्ति, यथा प्रतिक्रियाशील यन्त्रं, सीमितबुद्धिः, मनसः सिद्धान्तः, आत्मजागरूकता आदि। इदानीं कृत्रिमबुद्धिमत्तायाः अस्माकं जीवने कः लाभः अस्ति इत्यस्मिन् विषये किञ्चित् पश्यामः। कृत्रिमबुद्धिमत्ता अद्यतने समाजे बहुषु स्थानेषु प्राचल्यमाना अस्ति। एतस्य महत्वपूर्णः विषयः स्वतः चालन प्रणाली इति अस्ति। एतेन माध्यमेन उपभोक्ता उत्पादानां सेवा उद्योगानां च उपरि महत्वपूर्णः विषयः भवति। स्वचालन माध्यमेन न केवलम् उत्पादकतायाः वृद्धिः भवति, अपि तु अपरिपक्व वस्तूनाम् अधिकः कुशलोपयोगः, उत्पादस्य गुणवत्तायाः सम्यक् प्रयोगः न्यूने समये च भवितुं शक्नोति। कृत्रिमबुद्धिमत्तायाः हानिः। यथा कृत्रिमबुद्धिमत्तायाः लाभाः सन्ति तथैव एतस्याः हानिः अपि वर्तते। यत्र कृत्रिमबुद्धिमत्ता एकस्मिन् पक्षे स्वसुरक्षायाः कृते सहायकं भवितुं शक्नोति, तत्र अन्यस्मिन् पक्षे वित्तीयसुरक्षायाः हानिः भवितुं शक्नोति। सम्पूर्ण कृत्रिमबुद्धिमत्ता लिखितसामग्र्याः डेटा उपरि आधारिता भविष्यति। अतः अन्तर्जालस्य उपयोगिनां जनानां रहस्यस्य उपरि एतस्य दुष्प्रभावं भवितुं शक्नोति। इदानीम् अहं स्ववाणीं विरमामि। धन्यवादः।
Goes to Akshay Tiwari and Sanvi Singh from International Hindu School. And Swastika Shivi from W.H. Smith School. The first prize goes to Visha from International Hindu School. Now, it's time to declare the winner of Doha Gaan. So, third rank goes to Anuj, Ansh, Shreyansh and a third from Nandita Kuwari. Due to some emergency,
दिव्यांश, आस्था रानी, राजन तिवारी, शुभम पांडे, वैष्णवी applause for him. The second winner is
सामने
and the first winner is Deepika from International. The first winner of Sanskrit Bhashan competition is
third rank goes to Pratiksha, Aradhya, Arpita, Priya.
जलधितरङ्गा